Hello everyone. Today we have a very useful video. If you are worried that Google has secretly installed two hidden apps called Android System Key Verifier and Android System Safety Core to track your messages and photos, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to find these system components, explain what they actually do to protect your phone, and show you how to uninstall them if you still choose to. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, select Help and Feedback, and type Delete into the search box. Select Delete Apps on your Android device and tap the blue link that says Tap to go to Application Settings. This step is necessary because these are core background system services, meaning they are hidden from your standard home screen and normal app lists. Next, use the search icon in that settings menu and look for Android System Key Verifier. While some videos claim this app spies on your messages, it is actually an official Google security tool that creates the end-to-end encryption for your secure RCS chats. This is often referred to as E2E. If you still want to remove it, simply tap on the app and hit Uninstall. This component exists specifically to ensure that third parties and hackers cannot intercept your private texts. Deleting it will actually break your messaging encryption, making your data much less secure. Finally, go back to the search bar and look for Android System Safety Core. While it sounds scary that this app scans images, it actually powers the Sensitive Content Warnings feature, which automatically blurs explicit or dangerous photos before you accidentally open them. If you prefer not to use this safety feature, simply tap on the app and hit Uninstall. Crucially, all of this scanning is processed entirely locally on your device. Your personal photos are absolutely not being collected, shared, or sent to Google servers by this background service. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.